Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And I made some New Year's song, and the whole game worked on it. Scientist Chloe, Scientist number 2 on Scientist number 1, and this is the Scientist number 3. These two, make sure it's the right New Year's Eve version, and these are other scientists. You're going to see Blackie play this for a couple seconds. When I open this, alright. I'm going to see. 8 here. And I'm going to here's the slime. It's very expensive. Oh, geez. Alright. This is the slime. It's not sticky at all. It has little confettis in it, little balls, and the confettis are activated. It's very stretchy. But you have to go slowly or else that's the. You have to go slowly and softly. And it explodes bubbles. Well, not amazing bubbles, but makes bubbles. I wouldn't say they're great bubbles either. Let's just say they're bubbles. And it doesn't make a ginormous bubbles, it makes like tiny bubbles. Like that. There's a little bubble too. So if you want all the scientists to make a Valentine's slime, and I can do that. Because I get to stay home today and tomorrow. Eat. Because I'm going to do it tomorrow. Because tomorrow is Saturday. So I will get a lot of time to make you some Valentine's Day slime with all the scientists. I feel like this needs a little bit of lotion. I really love some lotion. Bye guys. Like thumbs up and subscribe if you want me to make slime with the scientist. Bye. Like and subscribe.